Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is INS Vela. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. INS Vela, the fourth submarine of P-75 of the Indian Navy, was recently commissioned by the Navy Chief at the Naval Dockyard. This will be the second addition to the Indian Navy's fleet of warships after INS Visakhapatnam's commissioning. Moving on to the INS Vela key points. Vela is named after a decommissioned submarine Vela which served the Navy from 1973 to 2010. The earlier Vela belonged to the Foxtrot class submarine of Soviet origin. The submarine is equipped with the C-303 anti-torpedo countermeasure system and can carry up to 18 torpedoes or Exocet anti-ship missiles or 30 mines in place of torpedoes. Vela will be commissioned into the Indian Navy's Western Command and will be based in Mumbai. Vela has a length of 67.5 meters and height of 12.3 meters. The beam measures 6.2 meters. It can reach a top speed of 20 knots when submerged and a surface top speed of 11 knots. The submarine has 4 MTU 12V 396 SE84 diesel engines and 360 battery cells for power and has a silent, permanently magnetized propulsion motor. The submarine can engage in offensive operations across the entire spectrum of naval warfare, including anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, intelligence gathering, mine laying, and area surveillance. Now let's discuss about Project 75. It is a program by the Indian Navy that entails building 6 Scorpene-class attack submarines. The design of the Calvary class of submarines is based on the French Scorpene class of submarines. It is given support by the Department of Defense Production in Ministry of Defense and the Indian Navy throughout its various phases of construction. The Mazagon Dock Limited, that is MDL, is manufacturing 6 Scorpene submarines with technology assistance from the Naval Group of France under a $3.75 billion deal signed in October 2005. MDL is a defense public sector undertaking shipyard under the Ministry of Defense. Now moving on to Scorpene class submarine. The submarines in the Project 75 Scorpene class are powered by diesel-electric propulsion systems. Scorpene is one of the most sophisticated submarines capable of undertaking multifarious missions including anti-surface ship warfare, anti-submarine warfare, intelligence gathering, mine laying, and area surveillance. The Scorpene class is the Navy's first modern conventional submarine series in almost 2 decades since INS Sindhu Shastra procured from Russia in July 2000. Now moving on to the question for today. Consider the following statements. 1. Project 75 is associated with the development of indigenous aircraft carriers for the Indian Navy. 2. The Scorpene class of submarines are being developed in collaboration with France. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.